this is going to be your living room. A spacious living room, kitchen. So this is going to be your kitchen. When you get to look at the amount of walkable space in this room, I'm just moving around. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Ayodhya Nagari by Veer Global located in Vasai East. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the sales office. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to the main road. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms, where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't have to worry, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 3.5 acres with ground plus 33 floors with a configuration of 1 and 2 BHK. Talking about amenities, the amenities are spread across 15,000 square feet, which includes tennis court, turf, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity, as you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office. This project is located in Madhuban, Vasai East, with Vasai station at a distance of just 2 kilometers, Western Express Highway at a distance of 10 to 15 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals, all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 2 BHK sample flat tour within carpet area of 675 square feet. As I've entered the living room, this is going to be your living room. A spacious living room, guys. Your sofa set is placed over here. Your TV unit can be right in front. Okay, let me mention one thing, that in the sample flat, the balcony area is included in the living room. So from here, you can count as the balcony area. So this entire thing, 5.5 feet, I guess, is going to be your balcony area. And then right here in the front can be your dining space. So of 6 to 4 seater of dining space can easily accommodate over here. Have a look at it. The ceiling height is also good enough if you have a look at the ceiling height. Now let's move ahead. To my left comes your common washroom for guests. So this is going to be your common washroom, which you will be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. A decent size of common washroom where you have storage for water tank up on the top. Have a look at it. And then comes your very spacious kitchen. So this is going to be your kitchen, where you get two sides of parallel platform, enough walkable space. As you can see, I'm just moving around and showing you. And then again, right where your platform ends is going to be your deck, your balcony area of the kitchen. So this is going to be your dry space. And then right where your platform ends is going to be your refrigerator space. So a double door refrigerator can easily fit in. And then the unique part over here is that you get separate washing machine area, where down in the wash basin you can store your washing machine, and this is going to be your wash basin area. Now let's move ahead and check out the rooms. So this is going to be your bedroom number 1. Again, a quite spacious bedroom. I'm just moving around and showing you guys. A queen size bed is placed over here, and there's so much of walkable space still left. Right here is going to be your wardrobe space. So this wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So enough storage for, it's not opening right now, but yeah, you can have a look at the depth of the wardrobe. There's enough space. And then right here is going to be your French window. So over here also, you're going to be getting balcony in this room as well. It's included in the bedroom, like I mentioned previously. Now let's go have a look at the other room, which is going to be your master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on housey.com. So don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Come, let's go check out the master bedroom. So let's go. As we enter, right here is your attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom, which you will be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings with water storage on the top. And then when you enter is going to be your master bedroom. This is your very, very spacious master bedroom. Again, look at the amount of walkable space in this room. I'm just moving around and showing you there's so much of walkable space. A queen size bed is placed over here. Again, this wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So a whole wall dedicated for your wardrobe space. This is your dressing table area. Again, in this room as well, the balcony area is taken in the bedroom. So you're going to be having a balcony also over here with French window. So a very well planned and designed house, I must say. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Ayodhya Nagari in Vasai East. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.